It's stuck. Can you see that all falling off? I literally don't know what to do. Look at all those chickens. Melting. I'm not the most sophisticated baker, but I'm getting it done. Hello, my sweet little darling cherubs. I missed you guys. Guess what's happening today? The legends themselves, Mabs and Babs, are making their way to Washington DC. I was like, what do you have for breakfast while you're here? Rachel and Mary they have a lot in common, but they love a good almond croissant. So, you've seen the title of the video. I don't have baking experience apart from
The Baking Show! It's me, Rory, and with Naomi, my sister.
Hey guys! So I thought it'd be a fun experiment to see if I could successfully make almond croissants. However, the thing is, time is not in our essence today because they're literally on the plane right now on the way here. And I haven't even gone out to get the ingredients yet. You're actually meant to take like 6 to 8 hours to let them prove and stuff, but I was like, nah, honey, that ain't happening. First order of call is go to the grocery store. I literally have thought for the past maybe a year and a half. Okay, I've literally thought for the past year and a half. Sorry, I'm not looking at you, I'm looking at the road because you need to drive safely. I lost my AirPods. And you know, like, they're quite expensive, aren't they? I had the original AirPods, so they were like 150 quid. I thought I lost them, so I bought a new pair off Shine. By the way, if you lose AirPods and you want AirPods still, get the ones off Shine. They were literally £10 and they're amazing. So I got those, lost them. So I got these. I was like, I really want a pair. I'm gonna get a pair. But I was like, I'm not spending a lot of money on a pair. $50, that's like what, 38 quid? Oh my gosh, the JBL, they are amazing. And look at this, it's literally April. We're reaching the 30s today. 30s, like 30 degrees. I'd also like to take this time to shout out one of my viewers, Bella Bali. Woo! Best soccer player, best little soccer player, sorry, football. I'm tired of American. I love that for her. Keep going at it with soccer because I believe you can do amazing. Look at this, I didn't even realise. Wait. They match. We've got our yeast. Look at all those chickens. Sorry, I'm really sorry. I don't know whether to get slivered almonds. Oh, I don't like that word. The natural sliced almonds. Think natural slice. I'm just gonna get all the ingredients together first. I need all these packets. That just doesn't seem right to me. But we're gonna go with it, see what happens. It's just all falling out. That was not a smart move. It's stuck. Can you see that all falling off? Let me get scissors. We've literally not even started baking and I'm already on like reason 3 why I'm not a baker. That's 7 grams. 12, 13, 14, 17, 18, 19, 20. I still have a bit more, for God's sake. Reason 4. We need an egg. Isn't it weird? In America, the normal egg is white, but in England, it's orange. And also, did you know if you put an egg in a dog's mouth, they won't crack it? 1 cup of milk. There we go. I'm just gonna pour this in. Probably do it to 5 for now. Okay, so the next thing it says to do, which I did completely wrong, obviously. So this has got yeast, sugar, and butter in it. That milk is now lukewarm. So, ew, it's got like, it's got like a layer of skin on the top of it. Add this. Ew. So I think I just mix this until the butter melts. When we used to do food tech in high school, me and my friends, Mia and Abby, we were always in a 3. We'd never bring our own ingredients, we'd just use everyone else's. And we'd literally make it up on the spot with other people's ingredients. Oh, that's so bad. That's like the people that you don't like in high school. That's probably why no one liked you in high school. Right, I think I'm just gonna, I think that's done. And it says to leave this for 10 minutes. So while I'm leaving that, I'm gonna make the filling. By the way, that looks like a piece of dandruff in my hair. It's not, it's just part of the glasses. In here we have almond flour. And we're just gonna add 3/4 of a cup of powdered sugar. And then we're going to add an egg white. Whoa, it's like a mountain. We only need the egg white, so. And also almond extract. You meant to do like a certain measurement for this, but that's what I'm gonna guess. You're also meant to use a food processor. I'm literally not following the instructions at all. It's rising. It's rising. I'm just as confused as you are. You sound good though, sis. Keep going at that. I'm just gonna use my hands, you know. I have washed my hands, by the way. Did you know I had a tattoo, by the way? I have a tattoo, and I have a tattoo. I have a tattoo. I don't think this is right. I literally don't know what to do. So what I'm gonna do is just wrap this up and put it in the fridge and hope it chills and stops being sticky. I wonder where my mum is now. Isn't it weird that she's just in, and my grandma are just in a metal tube in the air right now? Isn't it crazy that us humans made all this? Yeah, that sink's just a little bit annoying. Like, this just wants to do nothing. And they built this house, they made planes, and I'm just here. You know what? Don't compare yourself to others, actually. Life's not about comparison. Life is about embracing the little things and having a ball, having a blast. I'm just gonna put this in the fridge and hope for the best. I'm gonna show you this other concoction because it's looking very strange. I mean, it just looks disgusting. It looks like an omelette. So in here we have our flour, and it says to mix these together until it forms a dough. Right, are you ready? Augustus Gloop! So this is what it looks like. Okay, but I am so proud of myself. Look at this. It's a literal dough. Oh, it's so satisfying. Why have I never done this before? It's literally like, do you know when people used to be like this with slime? Fun fact, I used to sell slime all over the UK when I was literally like 12. Gonna pop her in here, and then we have to leave this to rest for 30 minutes. Currently 10:51. Oh my gosh, they're literally here in 3 hours. Just had a quick breakfast break. The dough is still rising. I got some hot water in the microwave that I'm making because I had a smoothie bowl for breakfast and my insides need to always be warm. So excited. Should we look at the dough? It's been 46 minutes. I'm so happy. It's actually grown like so much. Oh, that's so satisfying. Look at that. I'm now rolling it out so that it's 50 by 40 centimeters. So if you were baking something and this happened to you, would you A, get all the wrapper thing off, B, carry on rolling with the wrapper on, or C, use flour and roll without the wrapper? Keep watching to find out what this idiot does. That was not my smartest move. It's alright. That honestly took so much longer than I was expecting, but we finally got it into shape. This next part I'd done off camera because it was really frustrating and it wasn't fun to watch. So this is the end product of that one part. Got the butter out the fridge. Look how satisfying this is. Broke. Look at this. Oh. So. Please work. I mean, it doesn't really look as good as hers. Get paid afterwards, actually. Life's not about comparison. Roll it out to 25 by 50. So I kind of had to rush out. And I need to cut her into triangles. They literally land in an hour. This needs to bake for 45 minutes. This is going to go inside the croissants. So I'm going to cut it into 8. I'm going to roll all these into like little sausages. These are now going to get wrapped into these. I mean, if you ignore this one, I'm so proud of them. Right, they're going to go in the oven now. Yeah. Is this recorded? There's no recording sign. Ah! Please all have your fingers crossed. You'll find out sooner than I will. I actually have to wait the 45 minutes. You get to wait like 30 seconds, maybe. I've just looked on the thing where you can like track the flight and they've landed. They're just like taxiing around in the airplane. We've got 15 minutes. They have to get through US customs though, which I'm not the one to ask about. Hallelujah. 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 What? I literally can't stop smiling. They're like my little babies. I'm so happy with them. I'm just gonna sprinkle on some icing sugar now. I have retrieved the legends. So this video didn't end. Can you be quiet, please? I'm trying to film a video. This video did not end how it was planned and how I wanted it to end. I was left with two women who weren't the most pleased with me on this day. Basically, I'm not giving up my day job anytime soon to become an airport taxi service. I don't really know what happened. I went the wrong way, they went the wrong way, but then it came out that they didn't really go the wrong way, just I went the wrong way. I ended up picking them up 2 hours after their plane had landed. So, verdict was, good young babs. She loved them. Even more so when they were warmed up. Mabs said that she loved them, but they were a little bit too bready, which I kind of guessed because they felt a bit heavy picking them up. But I hope you enjoyed. I hope you're all doing well and enjoying spring and new beginnings and the fresh air and the blue skies wherever you are in this world. I love you all.